Hi everyone, and for this episode, tayo ay mag-unbox ng dalawang Nomis from version 6, which was given to us, or should I say, gifted to us by one of our sponsors and besties, Maria Adriana Nicole, aka Maddie. Hi everyone, and for this episode, tayo ay mag-unbox ng dalawang Nomis from version 6, which was given to us, or should I say, gifted to us by one of our sponsors and besties, Maria Adriana Nicole, aka Maddie. So, let's do the unboxing. So guys, ito na po siya from version 6, tayo ay mag-unbox. And for your information, ang Nomi ay currently nasa version 10 na. So, good luck sa akin. But so anyway, let's do the unboxing. So, super cute niya. So, let's pull this tab. Super cute. So, sino nga bang aking gusto? Actually, it could be anyone or any of them. So, it could be Nepenthe, Reverie, Eclipse, Morpheus, Aurora, or Solace. Kahit sino man. Oh my gosh. Super cute, super cute. Ay, ang ganda. Guys, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And, kung doon kakamali, meron siyang toy sa loob. But, anyway, oh my gosh. Wait lang, may pakpak pala siya. Wait, pakpak nga ba to? Looks like, but so anyway. 1, 2, 3. Ay, shit! Ay, wow, hi! Wait lang, nakaroll yung eyes niya. You are Eclipse. OMG. Guys, ang cute niya. Alam mo, hindi siya super laki. Hindi siya kagaya ng mga ibang Nomi dolls. Well, meron ng mga ibang versions na maliliit lang. I guess, siguro ano ba, ka-level niya. And, umiikot ang kanya mga legs. Both legs, umiikot siya. Para medyo may pagka-mechanical siya actually. Ewan ko lang kung nabubuksan yung toy niya. Kasi, ay hindi ata. Parang akala ko kasi nabubuksan siya. But so anyway, ito yung mata niya. Ito yung first version ng mata niya. Ito naman yung second. Ito naman yung third. So,